And they talking about I'm wrong, huh?
Nigga test the Glock, I bet that 40 bust they don't, huh? I'm a real robber, bet I never go get the chrome, huh? Mr. Doing bad, don't make me run inside your home, huh? I was on that block, I was thugging all alone, huh? Draco break them down, tryna split up every bone, huh? Knew it wasn't right, still did it cause it wrong, huh?
Smoking on mimosa, this should've put you in a coma. Got it from my plug, he was way in Arizona. If you call my phone, you know I got him if you wanna. I've been on the highway, they be red like Coca-Cola. She gon' slurp it, suck a dick till in the morning. I'ma chase that money, cause that's all I ever wanted. I might pull a scammer, nigga, run out with 100. On the highway when the sun sets. Tragic, but I still wake up, go get the green like every day St. Patrick's Day. Got a little bitch and she wanna play. I'm a top-notch P, I don't pay. I mean off golden plate, shrimps and steak with the lobster. I don't eat the pasta. I'm in Pompano chillin' with my roster. Me and 1K told Gaio hit the turbo. Smoking on that gas, yeah, that's nitro. I got it from Cali, from my amigo on the low. I'm back in Atlanta, pouring dirty Sprite in her face.
So I can still see that lab boy.
Nigga run out with 100. I was down bad, but now I'm up. I got that ice, nigga. What you think going? Put some water on it, and it keep growing. Put some water on it, let it keep growing.
I like that shit. I just want
to. Nigga run out with water on it, and it keep going. Get the money going. I'ma get the money, and I'ma keep going. Put some water on it, let it. I get fucking snowing. I got that ice, nigga. What you think going? I'ma get the money and I'ma keep going. Put some water on it, let it keep going. Do that one more time.
I like that shit.
I get fucking.
Play in Golden Glide. Eastside. Play in Golden Glide. I'm in this little baby mama awesome. I like wet slide. I'm in your baby mama awesome. I like high slide. She done let me drive. Why she suck me off? She gon' top me off. I'ma get it off. I'm from the east side. I call the play at Golden Glide. Your baby mama gave me the keys. She want me to slide. She gonna top me out while I drive. Ooh, hold on, man. This nigga got now. See what I'm talking about? But I want to keep the gangster though, bro. Then take it back to the trap. You have to keep it. Yeah, I got. That bitch was little. I had to put that bitch out. I need a fat one. I'm finna got now. We gotta get that bitch. I like this bitch too much, Corey. You got me right.
Put your motherfucking hoe. I in the kitchen, nigga. I can stove. You know.
What you said, Marilyn Manson? rock and roll, heavy metal. Yo, rock.
With me.
I'ma sing it to the devil. Yeah, I like that.
Put your motherfucking hoe. I got it. Hopping in the kitchen, nigga, working on that stove. You know.
Rock and roll, heavy metal. Play with me, I'ma sing it to the devil. It get cold, yeah, I get that coochie sweater. Suck that big gorilla. Yeah, I talk it up. That beat up his neck. Nah, I don't like that. We're gonna switch it up after devil. I'm switch it up after devil.
I like that when you said, rock star,
Show.
master, heavy metal.
Yeah, man.
Well, I say, what you said?
Rock and roll, I say, Marilyn Manson, rock and roll, heavy metal.
Right.
Play with me, I sing it to the devil.
Then after that one, you be like,
I
I said, shit, what you say?
somebody.
Shit get cold, it get hot, ghost pepper. Then I'll be like,
no.
the last thing you know me, bitch, I keep that big Beretta. And then when you switch off there, after that.
So do folks.
Yeah, always do.
So after devil, we're gonna say, play with me,
Always
I'ma sing it to the devil.
What?
Got a passion for that fashion, rock the coochie swell, rock the coochie swell.
Gucci swell. Don't Gucci though.
Don't Gucci.
You can't even.
Put your motherfucking hoe. I got it. Hopping in the kitchen, nigga, working on that stove. You know.
Rock and roll, heavy metal. Play with me, I'ma sing it to the devil. It get cold, so I wear the Gucci
You already rap it like Gucci.
Yeah, that's too hard. That's too hard. That's too hard. After Gucci sweater,
But I said it get cold. Bitch, you keep your Gucci sweater.
When you get cold, I try with the Gucci sweater.
Yeah, just the pop it.
Yeah, you just the pop it. That pop it. That Atlanta shit.
Yeah.
I got send you to the devil. When it get cold on traffic, then that Gucci sweater.
It get cold, bitch. You keep your Gucci sweater. You know me, bitch. I keep that big Beretta.
I'm finna say some shit so hard. Yeah, that's hard.